Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Very excited to offer you a new, fresh build. This is a 2018 F250 Lariat Power Stroke, obviously crew cab, four-wheel drive, short bed truck. From the factory, this has a $71,000 window sticker. So for a Lariat, it is very highly optioned. Most Lariats fall in the 60s. So highly optioned truck to begin with. The goal with this truck was to build a nice daily driver, not overdone truck, and I think that's exactly what we accomplished. I also want to let you guys know this is a pre-listing. We just completed this truck. We're going to do a full video shoot, photo shoot here in the next few days, but we just want to go ahead and get it online. Starting with the exterior of the truck up front, all color match front grille and bumper, obviously factory quad beam LED light package. Underneath the emblem, obviously you have your front camera as well. Nice color chromatic look that we did. Wheel and tire package, we went with American Force 22 by 12 inch wheels. Nothing too aggressive, nice clean stance, not overdone. You can still tow anything that you want to do with a diesel, you're still good to go. We went with a Nitto Ridge Grappler, that's a 37, 13.5, 22. Correct load, correct range for the truck, so you're all set there. Gorilla locking lug nuts. Pro Comp 6-inch lift all the way around. Fox Reservoir Shocks. We did a custom we used the factory or the Fox billet clamp, but we made some fabrication to that to get that reservoir mounted right there nice and clean. Beautiful color on this Ford. This truck has 13,000 miles. It's brand new. There's not a dent, ding, or scratch on the entire truck. Performance-wise, the truck is equipped with a Maryland Performance Diesel turbo kit. It's got many additional upgrades besides the turbo kit. It's a full turbo kit. Has new upgraded injectors. You can see down below there, got the lift pumps as well for the fuel system. Full exhaust system, rated right around 700 horsepower. Custom dyno tuned. Color match rear bumper as well. So everything's color chromatic on this truck. This truck obviously came with a chrome front bumper, chrome rear bumper, and a chrome grille. So it now has the platinum sort of finish, if you will. I'll give you guys a full list of all the upgrades in the listing on our website as well as eBay. Truck does have 5 custom tunes, your typical sort of stock, sort of sport economy tune, then a tow tune, then a sort of stage 4, not quite race tune, and then you have an actual, what most people consider a race tune, which is full boost time and everything else. Besides the rear backup camera, you also have rear park assist. color match on the bumpers is absolutely perfect. Factory spray and bed liner, LED lights in the bed. You have your rear camera for the bed as well. Just the performance upgrades on this truck, not the wheels, the tires, the lift, the painted portion, just what's actually underneath the hood, everything to do with the fuel system, turbo setup, labor tune and everything. You're well over $22,000 for that entire setup, parts, labor, everything. So this thing is going to be a hell of a deal for somebody, not to mention everything cosmetically as well. This is all brand new, wheels brand new, tires new, lifts new, color chromatic, bumpers and grill, all that's new as well. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood, start this thing up, and let you guys take a look at it. Inside is 100% perfect. It's never been smoking. There was no dog hair. It is a brand new interior. You have your all-weather mats. You have your carpet mats. Everything inside is 100%. Seats are perfect. Full power seats, lumbar seats, ventilated and heated seats. Of course, your navigation, backup camera, upfitter switches as well. You have both keys. You have the window sticker, all the books, all the manuals. Everything that you would buy with a new truck, this truck comes with. Once again, rubber floor mats, perfect. Carpet, floor mats underneath, perfect. And of course the carpet. Back seats look like they were literally never sat in. You do have your storage underneath. It's in a down position right now. You just pop it up, lock it in place, power inverter as well.